Welcome back to SWAM course on Design Thinking and Innovation. This is week 5. We look at what needs to be done in your project. It's section P5, week 5. Let's have a look at Design Thinking and Innovation projects summary from week 1 to week 4. In week 1, you had to select the project and you also did brainstorming on the topic that you've chosen. By chance, if you had not selected the project in week 1, you still had a chance to choose it in week 2. And we did mind mapping based on your topic. And in week 3, we started with secondary research part 1. And you had to ask a lot of these questions with respect to your topic and then make a table out of it. And in week 4, we continued with secondary research part 2 and we did user participant mapping. We just learnt how to make use of the tool Contextual Inquiry in Primary Research. We will explore how to apply it in your project. So, these are the steps. First, you need to locate and identify the users pertinent to your topic. We will make use of contextual inquiry methods to understand more about the users and the topic. This is through observation as well as conversing with the users at their location or the place. Do a summary of these findings through the use of notes. The importance of the notes is important because you can categorize and find affinities and find its importance. You can put titles to them, draw inferences from that. So, let's look at the steps and the deliverables for the project. First, you need to identify the users relevant to your topic. You can make use of the user participant mapping because that shows actually the importance of talking to which users. Some are primary users, some are secondary users, some are tertiary users. You need to locate the user, contact them, get permissions so that you can go and do the studies at their place. Make use of the contextual inquiry methods through observations and conversations. Let's look at step 3. You need to go to the place or the location and start observation as well as conversation. You need to also document this, right? You need your sketchbook or a notebook, take down points, make summaries. And we've said this before, when you converse with the user, you need to get their thoughts, their opinions, their feedback, their difficulties while they're using the product or service. Make the summary of these findings, make use of notes. So, it's good to write it on sticky notes or cards so you can sort it out. Then you can categorize this, find affinities and mark its relevance. Through this, you can do the summary of the inferences, which can actually lead to design opportunities and then which leads on to redefining the problem and then which leads on to ideating on solutions. So, thanks a lot for listening. This is section P5, week 5. Let's summarize for the week 5. We started with the design thinking and innovation process, primary research and trying to understand the users. We learnt about contextual inquiry as a design tool or a method to understand users. In the project section, we applied the contextual inquiry methods to get more information. And the next section is a case study which makes use of contextual inquiry as a method to solve a problem.